All right, we are recording. This is our Leaf Memorabilia Mixer. These are our teams. If they're in an NFL uniform, it's a no-brainer. It goes to that NFL team. If they're in a college uniform and they're a current player, it'll go to the team who they finished the season with or who they're still playing with. If it's a retired player in a college uniform, it'll go to the team they played for the longest. If they played for two teams the same number of seasons, the tiebreaker's total games played. If we get any multi-sign stuff, and it's not all the same team, you have to own 50% or more. That's 2 of a 3-way, 2 of a 4-way, 3 of a 6-way, 4 of an 8-way. If we get a non-NFL thing like Coach Klein from the Water Boy, we've gotten that before. Stuff like that, they'll be random to everybody in the break. Alrighty, good luck. Where did I put my razor blade? I left my razor blade over here when I opened the box today. I bet. I sure did. Danger zone. I sure did. My phone's going off. You got it, Brian. Oh, you got it, Brian. Just so I don't forget, let me write these down real quick. I got some more spots in. All right, here we go. No further ado. First mini helmet. There's our leaf seal. Our first helmet goes to Charlie Joyner in the Chargers. Hall of Fame 96 for the Chargers. See who has the Chargers. And Golf God on the board. Golf God on the board. Second mini helmet. Leaf seal. I think you have this team too. Randy White, Hall of Fame 94, it looks like, for the Cowboys. Golf God, got 10 teams. Chances are you're going to hit a couple. Play the odds are winning. All right, jersey time. You're still on track, yep. Leaf seal. For the New York Football Giants, Shaquan Barkley. Oh my goodness. We see Giants. He's still on line for the sweep. Now, these just came in, Wheel God, so it doesn't matter. Some of these just came in. I don't know which ones are which. Last one. I don't know. I don't know if these are one of the ones that just came in or not. He swept it. Unbelievable. Bob Lilly for the Cowboys. Cowboys took 2 hits. took 5 spots and swept. That doesn't happen very often. That was definitely good for you. Sucks for everybody else, so. Where's my... I have room with the fantasy now. Well, that was an easy break to break down. One box. Sorry, everybody else, but it happens sometimes. It happens sometimes. All right, let me get caught up here and get the store updated and stuff. Stop the video. Start the music.